Welcome to Trussing, a charming district in Ban Ninh province of Vietnam, where pig roasting is a significant cultural and traditional practice, especially during special occasions and celebrations. This is Ngoc.
Món này ăn rất ngon, thường uống với bia, tuyệt vời luôn.
Ngoc and his brother run a small business in this royal part of Vietnam roasting pig. This is a common practice amongst locals in the place where agriculture is the main activity. Ngoc starts by setting the fire and wait till it burns out. His brother returns 30 minutes later with a full and ready to roast pig.
So right now they have to take it over the oven, placement, and they set it in motion.
Usually, they choose a fresh plump pig typically weighing around 20 to 30 kg. Clean and prepare the pig by removing all its internal organs. They marinate the pig in a mixture of fish sauce, soy sauce and garlic. They also add black pepper and some traditional herbs.
Come on.
Cảm ơn lịch sự
Tiếng Việt tốt đấy. Biết nghe rồi.
Ôi, ở đây thạo rồi, thử chén này. Viber Việt Nam.
Vietnam, very good.
Việt Nam có từ.
1, 2, 3,
Vô, 2, 3, vô, 2, 3, uống.
Locals engage with this activity by gathering with family and friends to share in the preparation and enjoyment of the meal. And when it's ready, they let the pig rest for 30 minutes before serving it.
Fully ready, and they are about to remove it. So now they're setting the woodworks to chop where they're going. Oh yes, it's now fully ready. This is where they place it. Take out those nuts. So tough. Chopping the legs. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, I got filling from there. That water oozing out of it. Damn. One slice for one hit. Woo! Just look at that, man. Oh my, you see the spices in there? You see? It was topped with spices. So I think they have to shake it like that with the spices. Just look at that. It's so crystal. Oh. One hit. This is it, man. One hit.
Từ nó nhớ tròn này nhé.
Yeah. Split into two. Look at that. Spice is still green. The head, as you can see. Look at the head. Look at the tail, the legs. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So I'm taking the leg. Look at that. I want to eat this leg full. This is my brother. This is what I will be eating, the full leg. So it's the full leg. These are the spices that go with it.
Không có lợn tí mà. Có lợn đúng không? Ở đây đấy.
Then
Bỏ nước chấm lên cho nó chấm.
I think I have to use this.
Vào lấy cả.
Oh, come on.
Mua nó ăn.
And this. Okay.
Con quay thì con vui, xem quay thì con vui.
Phút từ lúc bắt đầu quay lợn.
Con về thì vui. Nó quay kiểu đúng này.
Oh my God.
Từ lúc ở đây quay con lợn, bắt đầu quay con lợn ra.
Nó quay. Thế nó bây giờ
Mua chân dưới cái chân đỏ.
ngon thế. Ua, ngon quá.
This is so good, man.
Ngon quá. Ngon lắm. Ngon.
Okay.
Đây nhá.
Ăn cùng cho nó vui.
Cùng là vui. Chạm cái. Chạm cái.
Đấy lại, thăng này.
Nó vào. Ôi. Ngon. Very good.
Ừ nhiều quá.
Very good.
Ngon.
Ngon lắm.
Ngon.
Ngon lắm. Very good. Ngon lắm. Very good. Okay. Tucson.
Từ Sơn Băng Ninh.
Tucson Bắc này.
Đây Từ Sơn Băng Ninh.
Okay. The pork grilling is very important. Okay.
Quay YouTube